Aloha, here is an introduction to our under-sink, 5-stage reverse osmosis filtration system for drinking water, and how we reclaim 100% of the resource. At the urban homestead, we are on residential municipal water, but have not yet installed any form of initial filtration system, such as a whole house filter nor water softener. So the incoming source is raw tap water. The filtration system is mounted on a repurposed drawer ball bearing slide for easy access to the filter cartridges. This particular system is driven purely on the standard 50 psi of tap water pressure, and contains no external electric pump. Inlet source is a dedicated valve right after the cold water faucet tap, and enters the first 3 stages of the filtration system consisting of a sediment filter and a pair of carbon blocks. Then water is pushed through the osmosis membrane, and through a final carbon block, and into the 3-gallon reservoir. Yet on any RO system that produces fantastically pure water, there is an astonishing amount of resulting wastewater byproduct normally discharged down the sewer drain. At the homestead, we are highly conscious of precious water resources. To demonstrate, let's fill a 20-ounce mason jar of RO water. The system reservoir is already full, so we'll see how much wastewater is produced to top it off again. Instead of the 6-gallon container we use, for this demonstration we'll use a standard 1-gallon jug for wastewater collection. Now to fill our glass. An RO system essentially removes all dissolved contents, so for drinking water, we add ionic trace minerals and electrolytes containing elements like iron, zinc, copper, selenium, iodine, manganese, chromium, and molybdenum to promote micronutrient absorption by the body, because cells utilize electrical charges to transport nutrients across their membranes. The wastewater immediately starts flowing when the RO water tap is opened, and will automatically stop with a check valve once the reservoir is full again. Leave a comment with your guesses as to how full this bottle will become, and if you are likewise astonished once privy to the actual amount of waste. And there we have it, mates. About half a gallon of wastewater, which is 64 fluid ounces. In other words, about 3 times the amount of waste produced for every unit. At the homestead, we reclaim every drop, and it goes straight to watering the trees.